The BMW X4 F26 key fob typically needs a new CR2032 battery every 1 to 3 years. First, obtain a new, high-quality CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Panasonic or Energizer are recommended. To open the fob, gently insert a plastic pry tool or thin screwdriver into the seam. Apply pressure to release internal clips, working around the case to avoid damage. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the positive side faces up. Clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol if corrosion is present. Insert the new battery with the positive side up. Carefully snap the case back together. Test the fob by pressing the lock/unlock buttons. If it doesn't work, try reprogramming, otherwise repeat the steps. If the key fob still doesn't work after installing a new battery, first double-check that the battery is seated correctly with the positive side up. If problems continue, the fob may need resynchronization with your BMW X4 F26. Try cycling the ignition key from off to on multiple times. For detailed reprogramming, consult your owner's manual. It may require accessing the OBD2 port under the dashboard. Online DIY guides show an 85% success rate with proper tools. For corrosion issues, a common problem, clean the contacts thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol. This removes buildup that prevents proper connection. In extreme cases like a cracked case or water damage, replace the fob case from online retailers. Professional repair at a dealership costs $100 to $200. For newer BMW models, consider app-based digital key solutions as an alternative. For older X4 F26 models, battery replacement remains essential.